videotaping. What are you doing?
Done.
Done?
Yep.
Take a bite of it. You can't bite it? Take a bite and tell me how it tastes.
First, after you,
But I'm still
Stop
videotaping.
I'm done videotaping.
Alright, fine. How is it?
It tastes like chocolate.
What's in it?
Little M&Ms.
What do you
This
say?
is the M&M guy.
It is. What do you say?
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
And?
Mommy.
And?
Thank you, everyone.